Hey guys, what's up? This is Dev Taneja and I'm the founder of Unjob.ai. Thank you so much for coming to our platform and trying to post a job. So this is a tutorial that will help you post a job. It can be a full-time job, it can be a part-time, it can be a remote, it can be a internship, it can even be a freelance project, and I will help you post it effectively. Without any further delays, we'll go to the platform. See, in the last 2 months, we have already got more than 600 jobs listed on a platform with over 3,000 plus brands and 40,000 plus candidates. So in case you post a job and you still do not get a candidate, you can contact the customer support and we will get it done for you. I will create, you can see this is my profile, Unjob.ai. This is my company name, Free Flow Technologies Private Limited. This is the jobs that I've already posted, full-time ke hain do, and one is still active, rest are completed. I'll go to the create job button. Now it will ask me what kind of job I'm looking for. So let's say I'm looking for a full-time person right now. The job title can be senior Flutter developer. Okay, work experience that I need is 2, maybe max 5. I don't want freshers to apply, so I will not take on this. The salary that I'm offering, for example, is 30,000 to 40,000 rupees per month. It's not the annual salary. If I want to make it fixed, I can also make it fixed, but it's better to give a range. The perks and benefits, if there are any, let's say I have food. Okay, let's have a special parking here. Anything can be there. Okay, let's say the department is engineering, software and quality assurance. Job role is software developer. Location is India. State is Uttar Pradesh. City is Noida. See, it can depend on your location obviously. If you want to make it remote, there will be a special tag added here for remote job because it is high in demand. Everyone wants a remote job. Required skill set, let's say you're hiring a video editor, so you can write what kind of skills that you want. Maybe you can add the required skills here that you need. Maybe you need them to know Flutter. Maybe you need them to know React Native also. Let's say you're looking for a video editor, so you might want him to know After Effects or Premiere Pro. You can mention all of that you want. For now, I will remove it. Candidate qualification, it can be graduate, diploma, 12th pass, anything. I am looking for a graduate person who has done BTech. Candidate industry, if I want, I can add it. If not, I can just click on any industry. For now, I am looking for technology. Gender preference, there is no gender preference for me. Language is known, English is good, Hindi is good. If I want any other language, I can just click on it. Company is mine, Free Flow Technologies Private Limited. If you are a recruitment agency, you can add the company for which you are hiring. For example, you are hiring for Microsoft, you can even add Microsoft here. Job description. Now we do not have an AI writer right now on the platform. It will be launched within a month. So for now, I will just go to the ChatGPT. I will write JD for me for senior Flutter developer with 30 to 40k per month salary and required skills A, B, C, whatever skills that you need, and the location, everything you can mention there. So ChatGPT has given us the role. Please describe your company also. So it has made it according to my company, but the better the JD is, the higher the chances of you getting a good candidate. So this, like it has mentioned 1 to 3 years of experience, but for me, I want to change it to 2 to 5. Okay. For screening questions, you can add your own questions. Let's say I want to ask him, do you have any live app on Play Store? So now it's added. I'll go continue. This is the entire summary and just create job. Done. The job is now live. If I want to view the job, I can click on view job. This is the job. the title, the job description, the company and everything is here. I can directly share the job by clicking here, and I can view the applications from here. And the job will also be visible to public via this job section. You can see there are multiple more branch hiring. So if you want to check the applicants without going to the job section, you can go on your profile here and you can click on manage apps, that is manage applications, and you will see them here. That is all for the job tutorial, guys. I hope you liked it. In case you have any doubts, feel free to reach out to me via mail or via phone number. And in case you still have trouble finding a better candidate, I will personally look it for you and help you hire the best. Thank you so much.